Hey besties, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we're gonna be unboxing and looking at my new floor lamp by Lepower. The packaging is great. Let's open it. And this is what it looks like on the box. Comes with user manual, remote control. It shouldn't take very long to set this up. Alright, we got everything out. We have the base here, which is pretty heavy to make sure it's gonna be secured when you set it up. Now, this is the wall switch that you can stick it to the wall. Let me show you the option on the remote. The first option here is the power button. This button turns the brightness up and down. And the option for your color, the button for night light and timer. Looks like everything is attached because it has a cord running through it. So what we have to do is screw all these pieces together. I'm gonna get this plug up. Let's try on the wireless wall switch. This lamp has the big lamp on top and smaller lamp emerging from the side. It's also very convenient to turn on and off from my couch. As you can see, you got two lights right here. The top light that you can adjust. And the reading light is also adjustable. And you can adjust it however you want to. This is great. It's bright enough for me to read the book. Overall, I'm very satisfied with it. And if you guys wanna check it out, I have the link down on the description box, so you can go get more details about it or pick one up for yourself. If you like this type of video where I just reviewed items for my home, please subscribe and I'll see you on the next video. Thanks for watching.